Oh my gosh, should I join Renatus? If you're watching this video, you are either thinking about kickstarting your real estate investment business with Renatus, or you're thinking about reasons why you shouldn't join. So listen, my name is Gloria Walker with marketingwithgloria.com, and I'm going to give you 3 top reasons why you should join Renatus. But first, if this is your very first time visiting my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because I give out fresh content on a regular basis, focusing on you building a profitable business online. Okay, and I don't want you to miss any of my content. So let's get right into this. All right, so let's start off with reason number 3. Okay, the third reason you should join Renatus is because Renatus gives out digestible classes online in flexible ways. Okay, and these ways are given 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, which makes it very flexible to you. All right, and they're not given in the typical guru fashion, the way gurus typically give out real estate training or real estate classes, where they're crammed into you on a Saturday or a weekend and you end up getting overwhelmed with all this information. That's not how it's done. It's done in digestible chunks, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, online. Okay, reason number 2. Okay, lifetime access. Okay, long after you have completed these classes, you will have lifetime access to these classes. All right, the real estate industry is a lot like the IT industry, because whereas the classes are always updating and always changing. Okay, so even though you've already graduated and you completed classes, you will have lifetime access to those classes free of charge. Okay, all right, and reason number 1, the number 1 reason is that Renatus has set it up where you have the ability to earn while you learn. Okay, so you can use this ability as a second income, primary income, or you can use this as seed money to seed your real estate investments as you are learning as a student. All right, so let's recap. Reason number 3, content delivery. Okay, which makes it really cool where you have access to the classes at any time of the day. Reason number 2, lifetime access to all the courses free of charge. And the number 1 reason is to have side income or seed income for real estate investments or primary company while as a student. So that's it. So I will leave a link below this video to help you get started, into Renatus, and a link below will have to me if you have any questions outside of what I just went over. And thank you for stopping by, and until the next video, bye bye for now.